Does everyone here or anyone have like a piece of jewelry or something that they wear all the time? Just never take it off, right? Good. Do never take it off, okay? I regret it. It was prom Friday, I think June 10th, and my mother forces me to take off my grandmother's necklace. She tells me the reason is, Abby, it doesn't go with your dress. It's emerald green. This is blue. They don't match. And I'm like, I don't care, Ma. This is my grandmother's necklace. Yeah, she's still alive and everything, but I love it, you know? It's my thing. I wear it all the time. Well, she made me take it off. And you know what? Prom was great. I loved it. It was a great time, but ever since then, I lost it for a year. Because she forced me to take it off and lost it, blamed it on me. Moral of the story, don't listen to your mother, okay? I learned that the hard way. Ever since then, 2 days after prom, I contracted COVID. Then I bought a car with my own money, and I could not sign on it because I had COVID. So my mom signed on it. Of course, why not? It's karma. And after I got that car, someone crashed into it. Then it breaks down twice. Then I had to get it replaced twice with the engine and the AC and the brakes. Great, you know? And then a bunch of other things happen, like hospital, dehydration, a bunch of other things, you know. But, you know, I realized, never take this off, you know? I love my grandma, and I think that was her way of trying to curse me, you know, with her still being alive. But, you know, family, and don't listen to your mom, okay? That's what I learned about my favorite object, which is my necklace that I always wear.